Hi, Ramin with Fresh Car again. So this is a brand new 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQE. The dealer actually offered the customer to put the paint protection on this car, but the customer denied it, and instead they brought it to us. And a lot of people ask us, what's the difference between you guys and other companies out there? So before we become a ceramic coating installer, we were a very good and known company to do paint correction. So the base work of ceramic coating is paint correction. And in this case, this car has a lot of micro scratches on it. So what we have to do, we have to polish the car 5 to 7 times to make sure the condition of the coat, the clear coat, is in a very good shape before we apply any type of coating. So there are other companies out there that will do it for probably half of what we charge, or they might even say we come to your house to do it. There are companies out there that charge close to nothing for coating. But I'll be very honest with you, this job could take up to 2 days. So if someone comes to your house and get it done in 4 hours, you should question the job. So this coating needs a lot of base work. Applying the coating itself shouldn't take long, maybe a couple hours. But the correction on the paint, even this is a brand new car, it could take a full day or maybe even more. So in this case, we are going to apply a self-healing coating on this car, and probably would take us 2 days to finish this whole project. So if the price is too low, you should question yourself why they're going too low. It's easy to apply the coating, but the job has to be done in the right way to see the efficiency and how effective the coating will be. We don't apply any 2 years or 3 years coating because honestly it's a waste of money for our client. We usually recommend 5, 7, and 9 years, which in this case we're going to put a 5-year self-healing on this car. So when the car is done, I want to show you how it's going to look like, because the actual base work, which is the correction, is the most important part of the job. So that's what makes us different from everyone else. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how this car is going to look like after it's done. Hi, I'm back. The car is done. It took us a couple of days to work on it. As I said, when you do quality work, you have to spend a lot of time and right material and use the right tools on the car. So this took us a couple of days. We applied this new coating that we're using. It's self-healing coating, very strong bonding. So as you can see, it doesn't have any micro scratches, any light scratches. I'm going to dump a little bit of water on it, and you will see what happens when the car gets water on it and when it rains. So you see nothing sticks to this car. So what ceramic coating does to the car, it makes sure the car stays so shiny as well as protected, so nothing will stick to the panel. So we polish it multiple stage and we take care of it. But one more thing I want to add today, this car is $120,000. The car behind me is less than $20,000 car. So the customer brought it to us and asked us to do the same thing. Exact same process on a $120,000 car goes on a car that's less than $20,000. And it's not about the price, it's about you, how much you care about your car, how much you care about your investment. You know, the look of the car. If you want to have a shiny car, a car with a lot of dust on it. So this is a good example. It doesn't matter what you have, it's all a matter of you and how you treat your car and investment. So if you have any cars that you think this is the right product for it, contact us and we're the right people for you to perform the job. So contact us.